How to take a close-up picture with different magnifier filters on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold, and then tap on widgets. In here, scroll down and then tap on magnifier. Then drag on the magnifier widget and then add it to your home screen. After that, open up the Magnifier app. In here, you can zoom in or zoom out by pinching in or out like this. You can also use the zoom bar to zoom in or out. Now to apply a filter, tap on the filter button at the bottom. In here, scroll across and select a filter that you would like to use. So swipe across and choose a filter that you want to use. You can also increase or decrease the contrast color and the brightness. Then tap on the capture button here, or the shutter button. After that, you can also zoom in on the pictures. And then tap on the download button. And it will be saved to your gallery app. And that's it. Now here, if I open up my gallery app, and this is the picture that I have just saved. Now there are other shortcuts that you can apply to your phone to quickly open up Magnifier. So if you want to assign the shortcut, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. In here, tap on accessibility and tap on vision enhancements. After that, scroll down and then tap on magnifier. In here, tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can assign the shortcut to the accessibility button. Press side and volume up buttons. Press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So just tap on the radio box to select them. So when you want to quickly open up Magnifier, you can use the shortcut. Here I'm going to tap on the accessibility button and then tap on Magnifier to quickly open it. And here I will zoom out a little bit and I will change the filter to this color, invert it, and then tap on shoot. And then download. And that's it. So here it is. Thank you for watching.